As spring arrives at the Wuyi Mountains, the weather becomes unpredictable. A spring shower wakes up the hibernating botanic kingdom. Flowers bloom in the gentle breeze. However, not all plants reproduce by flowering and fruiting. The germination of bamboo relies on underground rhizomes, which are often called bamboo whips. The culms sprout in clusters out of the rhizomes and eventually grow into new bamboos. By means of asexual reproduction, bamboos can rapidly expand their territory. They are called bamboo shoots for now. The new sprouts drill out of the half-meter thick soil and struggle to grow up. In the first 20 days, they only grow 1 to 2 centimeters a day. To become mature, they have to survive the next 2 months. Favorable climatic conditions make the Wuyi Mountains a cradle of new bamboos. In the Dazulan Basin, at an elevation of 850 meters, nearly 10 million bamboos grow. It is an important habitat of the Mazu bamboo. The annual mean temperature here is between 12 and 18 degrees Celsius. The moist and rainy spring creates the most suitable environment for new bamboos. In the following 60 days, the bamboos will grow 1 meter per day. After the rapid growth period, bamboo sheaths gradually shed off. The new bamboos have to rely on their joints to stand against wind and rain. This is the rite of passage for these new lives. Mature bamboos stretch their leaves to exchange energy in sunlight and release oxygen, benefiting the vulnerable species around. The Wuyi Mountains possess various landforms, offering more than 80 bamboo species a favorable living environment. On both sides of the valleys, the checker-shaped Indocalamus open their broad leaves as a green shade above the gurgling streams. The swelling bamboo nodes are the typical feature of the swell node poor spike bamboo, supporting the 4-meter-high culm. On the Mount Huanggang, the highest point in South China, grows a kind of bamboo that can endure cold weather at high altitude. Compared with other species, the Wuyishan Yushan bamboo looks a little small. They have thin and narrow leaves. The culms grow no taller than 80 centimeters. This body size helps them survive -10 degrees Celsius at the top of the Mount Huanggang. They are noted for the ability to withstand cold. In late spring, the mountains are overwhelmed by the sea of bamboo. The new bamboos steadily grow up. They help conserve water and soil in the forests and form a natural wind barrier. They are like the most loyal guardians of the Wuyi Mountains.